Now, shit. Unboxing this keyboard, which I unfortunately, my phone's slipping. Use a pair of scissors. There. Now, I'm gonna figure out how this. Oh, it just slips off. Here's my foot to support that. I don't know what that is. Already I am liking how this looks. And there we go. Ooh, that's a nice build. As you can see, really thin. It's, I think it's an aluminum case. Sounds very nice. It's not annoying or anything. This is the charging case and the instructions for it. Yes. And of course, Razer products always come with little stickers and whatnot, but so it can do Bluetooth, or you can have it plugged in. I assume obviously you have to charge it, but yeah, it's RGB, which is nice. The colors are pretty damn vibrant on it. Feels nice to the touch. Sadly, it's not a full keyboard, which is fine. Like, I can deal with that. If I have to use the numpad on anything, I can just use the one that's actually on my laptop's keypad. Does my laptop? Yes, it does. I'm just fucking stupid. I think that was all that was in there? Yes. That was all that was in there. Yeah, at a later date, I might do like a better review of it, possibly. It's like, I've always liked Razer's keyboards. They're pretty damn good, like build quality of them. I'm still using this, which, let's see, what is the crushing shit? The one I'm using is the Razer V2, which was the first one that I got, and I'm still using. Haven't had any issues. I'm basically using it until it either dies completely or brain's not responding. Or until I can swap out the switches in my new one to other ones that I got, which might take a while because I have to desolder them, take them out, get the other ones, put them in, resolder them, and then fucking hope that it works. But yeah, that's it.